What is up, guys? Ravens fan here, and today I wanted to show y'all a video on how to get unlimited VC in NBA 2K20. That's right, unlimited VC. Now, there is one stipulation. You do need to have the Strikepack, either for the PlayStation or the Xbox. I do have it for the PlayStation, and this is not a PlayStation specific item, but there will be a link in the description to the Amazon listing for it. Amazon might be a little slow right now, but y'all gotta cut them some slack. There is a whole virus thing going on. But anyways, basically what this mod is going to do is to continue to play disc golf for you over and over and over again. So this is something you want to leave on overnight. Leave it when you go to work, if you're going to work. But I want to show you how it's done. So I've already got it loaded up on my Strikepack, and you literally come up to the disc golf and you hit down on the D-pad and the touchpad. Boom, it starts playing. I'm not touching anything. My controller is not in my hands. I'll even show you guys on video that I'm not touching anything, just so you can kind of see what's actually happening. So it's pretty crazy what this thing does. So, all right. And there we go. So as you can see, my controller is sitting on my desk. I'm not touching it. And it's going to automatically go through and play this for me. And it's just going to keep doing it over and over again. You get 50 VC most of the time. Sometimes you get 25. I don't quite know. Maybe it's like a perfect shot is 50. It's not always the exact same. But y'all are going to just watch here for a minute and you'll see what's happening. So it shoots it. It clicks start. It's waiting. Boom, bottom left, 25 VC. Quit. And it's going to loop back. So I just kind of want to do a little counter right now, and we're at the 1 minute and 55 second mark in the video. So call it 2 minutes, and we're stepping up to the first dot. Call it 2 minutes, and let's count how much VC we get in 1 minute here. I should probably throw it about 3 times, so we should be getting, let's call it about 100 a minute. I would assume, because you don't always get 50, and you don't always get 25, and sometimes you miss. Boom, 25. So I took about, what do we say, about 20 seconds to get 25 VC. So it's kind of weird. I don't quite get the difference between the 50 and the 25. We're going to find out here pretty soon what's happening. But as you can see, my controller is literally sitting on my desk. So we're going to have to throw it again. See, that power was way more than normal. I don't quite get how that happens. But we made it, and that's 50. So now we're up to 75 VC, and we're just closing in on a minute. So let's just call it 2 throws per minute, and you're either going to get about between 50 and 75 VC, I would say. And we'll just kind of keep looking to see what happens here. We haven't actually missed yet, which is good. But he's about to throw it again, and we're going to see what we get. But for the most part, from when I paid attention to it, you're getting 25 VC per throw. Sometimes 50, sometimes nothing. So when I go to bed, see, that one missed, so I got nothing for that. I don't know how it misses, but it does. But a lot of times I'll go to bed and come back, an easy 40K VC will be made. Now, one thing to keep in mind with this, sometimes there are issues where something will happen and you'll get like a lag spike or something, and you won't, and like you'll come back and you'll be like on the My Team menu, and it's just cycling through. So if there's ever a lag spike, if there's like a menu update, if things happen, then it's going to obviously interrupt it. So one thing I like to recommend, there's been times where I've left it on, I'll get off for the night like 10, 11 o'clock, let it run all night, wake up in the morning, got about 40K VC. I'll check on it, and I'll kind of reset it just to make sure there's no menu update, yada, 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 and then run it again until I get home from work at 4 or 5 p.m. that evening, and I've made an easy 80K VC just in that day. So you think about it, you can get enough for a new build very quickly. So it's a pretty cool device. It does a lot of other stuff for other games. I am going to be making some new videos on what it can do for Call of Duty, Fortnite, NHL, FIFA. It just does a ton of stuff for a ton of games. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. I just will let mine run for a while. I have recently bought a lot of unnecessary stuff from the store. But, as you can see right now, we've made a couple hundred VC in this video. It's like 4 minutes long, so it's just a set it and forget it type of thing. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Check the links in the description for the Strikepack. If you need help with the setup, let me know. I can definitely direct you to that. I will have I have a Discord. You can join that. I'll set up a separate channel for, you know, Strikepack help. That you will want to join that one, not just a general chat. But yeah, definitely take a look at that. And any questions, let me know. But that's the end of this video. I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription to my channel. It's taken off a little bit the last few days, so I really do appreciate that. Thanks, guys.